Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Poco X3 NFC off and removing the SIM tray. This prevents shorts and keeps the frame accessible. Next, apply a 60-70 degrees C heat pad for about 60-90 seconds to soften adhesive, then use a suction cup and picks to separate the back glass carefully. Once the rear is lifted slightly, you must locate and remove the small bracket screws and disconnect the battery immediately to avoid accidental power while you work. Once the battery is disconnected, you should remove the shielding and unplug the display, digitizer, and front camera flex cables in order so nothing tugs unexpectedly. After that, heat the front glass edges to loosen adhesive, then pry around the frame and lift the LCD assembly slowly to avoid tearing the flex. Before tossing the old screen, transfer the earpiece speaker, proximity sensor, adhesive strips, and any small metal brackets to the new display so the replacement will fit and function correctly. With the new LCD positioned, you reconnect the display and digitizer flexes and power on the phone briefly to test touch, colors, and face proximity. This confirms the replacement works before sealing. Once verified, power down, secure all brackets and reconnect the battery, then apply fresh adhesive strips or controlled glue around the frame. Reassemble the rear glass, press edges firmly for 2 to 3 minutes to set adhesive, and reinsert the SIM tray. If touch fails, check flex seating and receipt connectors as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.